is Afnan Afi Junaidi. Now I will explain about recount text. Recount text is a text which retells event or experience in the past. Purpose recount text. Recount texts are written to retell event with the purpose of either informing or entertaining their audience or both.
Two, generic structure, context. Orientation, who was involved, what happened, where the event took place, and when it happened, even what happened in chronological sequence. Reorientation, optional closure of event or ending.
Next slide is orientation. This is the example of orientation. Gerald loved third grade. He had the best time each day in Mrs. Harold's room. First, they did reading each morning. Gerald loved that class. They read great stories out of their reading books. Some of them were plays, and they all took turns acting out the story. They could work in their workbooks. That was fun. That was fun too, but there was one big problem in third grade. They had to multiply in math. So the subject is who is Gerald, where the place is in class, when the time is in the morning, and what is Gerald had the best time each day in Mrs. Harold's room.
Jadi untuk bagian orientation, Gerald loved third grade. He had the best time each day in Miss Harold's room. First, they did reading each morning. Gerald loved that class. They read great stories out of their reading books. Some of them were plays, and they all took turns acting out the story. They could work in their workbooks. That was fun too, but there was one big problem in third grade. They had to multiply in math. Who-nya tuh Gerald, where di mana tuh kelas, when-nya tuh in the morning, dan what-nya Gerald had the best time each day in Mrs. Harold's room.
Hello, introduce myself. My name is Nastin Ramdhani. Di sini saya mau basis teks bagian orientation. Orientation. This last stage is the stage of repeating the introduction. In the first stage, citing repetition summarizes all the events or events that are told. The last stage, the reader can read a summary of all the events or events that are told. The author can also read commenter personal impressions of events or events that have occurred. Jadi di sini data terakhir yang merupakan tahap pengenalan yang ada di tahap pertama tadi. Di sini kalau kita masih bersama, ending dari cerita ini tuh adalah menyenangkan. Kenapa penulisnya itu kalimat terakhir itu multiplication was grateful. Jadi si penulis ini merasakan kesenangan. Lalu in this text ada beberapa conjunction yang saya temukan. Contohnya ada and, dan, lalu ada action verbs. Contohnya when, Gerald went home and cleaned it's and everything. Itu analisis dari saya. Terima kasih.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Elina Dewa Prabowo and my friend.
My name is Bayu Dwi Prasetyo.
My name is Aurelia Parameswari.
My name is Cinta Rahmadewi.
Yes, in this presentation we will discuss about recontext.
And then my name is Muhammad Hitogibayu. Next. Okay. In here I will share you about the generic structure of recontext. In recontext, we have three of generic structure text. At first, we have orientation. In orientation, we got information about who, what, where, and when. So we have who was involved, what happened, where either event took place, and when it happened. For the following paragraph, we have our event. So in event, we have what happened in a chronological sequence. In here, usually have a conjunction also. And the last, in a conclusion paragraph, we have a reorientation. But in reorientation, is an optional closure of event on earth or endings. Next.
This is a structure of the text. Becky was visiting on Agatha at her house at the beach. It was a beautiful summer day. Is orientation, and from the Becky had built a giant sandcastle that morning until Becky saw a big brown hat with a yellow ribbon on it. Is an event. That from that hat was made of straw to it was a great hat is reorientation.
Okay, in this part, the first part is orientation. Becky was visiting on Agatha at her house at the beach. It was a beautiful summer day. The orientation consists of what, who, when, and where. The answer of what is Becky visiting on Agatha at her house at the beach and built a giant sandcastle and or they when swimming in the ocean. The answer of who is Becky, and then the answer of when is summer day or that morning. The answer of where is at the beach or on Agatha's house. Next.
Okay, yeah. And then I will tell you about the event. In here I will tell you about passive verb, that is verb 2. The first one is built. You can find in the first sentence. Becky had built a giant sand, and then the verb 1 is built. And then took, you can find that in the second sentence. On Agatha took pictures, and the verb 1 is take, and number 3 is when, and the verb 1 is go. Number 4, verb 2 ate, and the verb 1 is eat. Then verb 2 is want, and verb 1 is want. And then verb 2 is told, and the verb 1 is tell. Next, verb 2 is did, and the verb 1 is do. And then verb 2 is could, and the verb 1 is can't. And then verb 2 is tried, and the verb 1 is try. And then verb 2 is had, and the verb 1 is has. Next, verb 2 is saw, and verb 1 is see. And the last one, verb 2 is made, and the verb 1 is make.
Next part is tray orientation. That hat was made of straw. It was a perfect hat for the beach. It was too big for Vicky's head, but she didn't care. It was a great hat. This good ending or happy ending. It was a perfect hat for the beach. It was too big for Vicky's head, but she didn't care. It was a great hat. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, and that's end of the presentation from our group. And please forgive us if there were some mistakes during the presentation.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Rasendria, moderator from this presentation. Let's do the presentation. Recount text. What's the meaning of recount text? Recount text is a text that telling a reader about one story, action, or activity in the past. Its member Dava Kamal Hakim, Digo Omar Danendra, Ella Puspita Nendriati, and Rasendria Salvia Wahinda, Tirahmalia Maharani. Next, purpose of recount text. Recount are written to retell event with the purpose of either informing or entertaining their audience, or both. In a simple word, the purpose of recount text is to retell past experience. And this is the story given to the group 5 about the Marisa experience. Okay, next we will continue with my friend Digo.
Okay, thank you. My name is Diego Mardanendra. I come from group B70. Here I will read the orientation section and explanation section. Orientation is who was involved, what happened, where the events took place, and when it happened. Next. Orientation. When I was 16 years old, I went to the United States. I was a student then, and that was the first time I left home. I went to Boston to live with an American family for 2 months only. How exciting, I thought. How scared I felt, but I went all the same. Next. Orientations also has parts in it such as who, what, where, and when. Who was involved is Marisa. What happened is Marisa went to Boston to live with an American family for 2 months only. Where the events took place is Marisa went to Boston, United States. When it happened is when Marisa was 16 years old. Next.
So here's the event of the text. Event is what happened in chronological sequence. So event is one of the things I remember quite clearly was my arrival. To start with, I missed the train from New York to Boston. That was a trouble, although the family was there to greet me. When I arrived at the family house, I lost my voice, so nervous I felt. For 3 days, I did not say a word. Now I know that was an unconscious way to get familiar with the English they spoke. Fortunately, after 1 week, I felt more confident. I started to speak a little, and the people in the house began to understand me. And the event is half past tense. Here's some past tense in the text. No, the first one is now I know that was an unconscious way to get familiar with the English they spoke. When I arrived at the family house, I lost my voice, so nervous I felt. Fortunately, after 1 week, I felt more confident. I started to speak a little, and the people in the house began to understand me. And the last one, I missed the train from New York to Boston. That was a trouble, although the family was there to greet me. Next.
So, and this is table because recount story in the past. So, using action verb, especially verb 2 dari miss, arrive, lose, spoke, speak, start, felt, feel, begin. Okay, next.
Okay, my name is Dava Kamal Hakim. Next, I will tell you about the sequence conjunction contained in this recount text. As we have learned, sequence conjunction is or time connective is conjunction that describe time or indicate chronological order. The purpose of sequence conjunction is to show the reader the chronological sequence of event in the text. The first sequence conjunction in this recount text is to start with, which show the beginning of the event or chronology, which explain that Mariza missed the train from New York to Boston. The next sequence of conjunction is for 3 days, which show that he didn't say a word because Mariza felt nervous. After that, Mariza knew that it was unconscious way to get used to the English they use. The last but not least, the sequence of conjunction in this recount text is after 1 week, which show that after 1 week, Mariza feel more confident, begins to talk a little bit, and people at home begin to understand Mariza. I think that's enough for second conjunction. The next part will be continue, Ella.
Thank you, Dava. My name is Ella Puspita Nendriati. I'm from Group B70. Next, reorientation, optional closure of event or ending. Reorientation, how nice and enjoyable the second week was. The big morning breakfast, a snack at lunchtime, and early dinner at 6 o'clock p.m. become a routine. The shops were interesting, the vanilla ice cream was wonderful, the sports were attractive, and in a short time, new friends were like the old ones. This experience was unforgettable. The end of the recount text is happy, indicated by the sentence, this experience was unforgettable. Well, we have finished the presentation on recount text from our group. We hope to get a good score here. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day, Miss.
Thank you.
Okay, welcome to our presentation. Here we will present the analysis of the recount text that has been given previously by Miss Beta. Untuk paragraf pertama itu akan dipresentasikan oleh saya sendiri. Perkenalkan, nama saya Davarin Graus dari program studi dari Mesim, NIM I04211038. It was a Tuesday morning in April. Anna got up early. She was going to wear her lucky blue shirt to school. She really likes that skirt. She had a new shirt that to match it and new shoes too. After Anna got dressed, she went to the kitchen where she could smell the bacon. Anna's father was making bacon and toast. Anna loved bacon in the morning. Di sini ini termasuk apa namanya, teks untuk paragraf 1 ini termasuk orientation. Untuk orientation sendiri di sini tugasnya untuk mencari 5W bersatu. Untuk yang pertama who. Di sini untuk who itu Anna sendiri, dan juga what itu Anna got up early. Why Anna got up early? Because she was going to wear her lucky blue shirt to school. Where? At Anna's house. When? On Tuesday morning in April. Untuk how ini menjelaskan tentang proses semua dari 5W itu terjadi. Untuk penjelasannya yaitu Anna wakes up early to prepare for school. To wear her blue skirt. She also had a new shirt and shoes to match her skirt. Before going to school, Anna's father made Anna bacon and toast. Boleh dilanjutkan untuk paragraf 2.
Baik, nama saya Marco Fikri dari Fakultas Kedokteran dengan NIM D00213131. Di sini saya melanjutkan paragraf kedua. Anna's mother was getting ready for work. Anna's mother is a teacher at Anna's school. Anna is in the school second grade, and her mother teaches fourth grade. Baik, di sini adalah jenis teks event. Buat nya itu ada Anna is mother, terus sementara itu bisa dilanjutkan.
Okay, my name is Edwin Santana Ambarita, NIM I012147. In third paragraph, Anna was excited about going to school. Her class was going to take a test to see how much they had learned so far that year. Anna couldn't wait to get to school. Anna sharpened her new pencil for the test. She was going to do her very best on the test. Anna loved school and she liked to make good grades. This text is given. Now identify the past tense. The first past tense is learn. From her class was going to take a test to see how much they had learned so far that year. Yang kedua adalah love. Anna loved school and she liked to make good grades. And the third is like. From the same text, Anna loved school and she liked to make good grades. Now identify the conjunction. The conjunction is and. From the Anna loved school and she liked to make good grades. Oke, bisa dilanjut.
For the fourth paragraph, Anna had her breakfast and then she and her mother went to the school. Anna went straight to her classroom. Her teacher, Miss Brunner, was already there. It was fun to be in Miss Brunner's class. She was a great teacher. Anna's classmate arrived. Miss Brunner called roll, and then they start the test. Anna tried to remember all the things her teacher had taught her that here and tried very hard to do everything right on the test. Untuk identifikasi past tense-nya, karena past tense memiliki rumus subject plus verb 2 atau to be, was atau were, di sini kelihatan semua dari kalimat di paragraf keempat ini adalah bentuk past tense semua. Seperti pada kalimat pertama, Anna ate adalah Anna subjek sebagai subjek, ate sebagai verb 2. Selanjutnya di kalimat kedua ada Anna went, ini juga went ini termasuk verb 2. Terus kalimat selanjutnya, her teacher Miss Browner was already there. Nah, di sini ada was to be, jadi ini termasuk juga past tense. Selanjutnya ada Miss Browner call. Ini termasuk juga past verb 2, jadi kalimat ini termasuk past tense. Begitu pula selanjutnya hingga akhir kalimat dari paragraf keempat. Selanjutnya untuk identifikasi conjunction, di sini ada conjunction and dan ada conjunction and conjunctionnya cuma satu, ternyata ada and then. Mungkin cuma itu saja untuk conjunction. Bisa dilanjut ke paragraf 5.
Oke, untuk selanjutnya kalimat yang terakhir, paragraf yang terakhir. The test took over an hour. After the test was over, the class played outside for a long time. Then they ate lunch. After lunch, they watched a funny movie and then drew pictures until it was time to go home. It was a great day. Sentence that saw sentence that saw reorientasi is the test took over an hour after the test was over, and the text end with happy ending. Ya, cukup seperti itu dari kelompok 4.
Okay, that's enough for our presentation today. Sorry for our mistake and thank you everyone.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for opportunity to be here. We are from Group 2. Would like to present you our data about analysis recontext. My name is Diki Pamungkas. I'm from Industrial Engineering.
My name is Arda Suryo Wicaksono from Industrial Engineering.
My name is Muhammad Wardana Dityasti Aji from Civil Engineering.
My name is Nisa Kavakatarina from Architecture.
My name is Satya Abhijaya from Medicine.
My name is Salza Devinta. I am from Faculty of Medicine.
First, we have orientation. Percy Adams lived in a great neighborhood. He had many friends there. Percy woke up one morning and took a long stretch, and he had good night and was very rested. Next.
What? Woke up and took a long stretch. At third sentence. Where? Somewhere in a great neighborhood. At first sentence. When? In the morning. At third sentence. Who? Percy Adams. At first sentence.
Events. First, he walked in the kitchen and ate a good breakfast. He waited at the door for someone to open it and let him out. He had things to do. As he walked outside and looked around, everything was fine, but then he went and checked on his friend, Al the duck. Al was still sleeping and didn't want to go with Percy. Percy walked across the yard and visited the mother bird and her babies. They were fine and were eating some worms for breakfast. They didn't even look at Percy. They were busy. Percy walked across the street and visited his friend Bubba. Bubba was outside stretched out in the sun, and Bubba was glad to see Percy. They were great friends, and Bubba said hello to Percy with a great big meow. Percy gave a meow right back. Next.
Alright, now I'm going to tell you about the past tense on the events part. There is looked from the verb 1 look, visited from visit, stretch from stretch, said from say, seemed from seem, waited from wait, had from have or has, walked from walk, went from go, were from are, was from is, gave from give, check on from check, and ate from ate. And this is where the past tense are. There is, like what I said before, there is walk, ate, waited, had, look, seemed, went, check, visited, were, stretch, was, said, and gave.
Conjunction. So you can find some types of conjunctions in this step, such as sequence conjunction and addition conjunction. So in this step you can find sequence conjunction signed at the word like first, and then usually you can find it at the beginning of a sentence, and then addition conjunction such as and then even and with. You can see it on the text with the highlight number, highlight with the color green.
So the last is reorientation. Percy and Bubba played and played. They visited their other friends in the neighborhood. It was time to go home. They were tired and it was good time to take a nap. So the conclusion of the text is it is a happy ending because Percy was able to play with his friends happily and feeling tired. So he went home and took a nap. That's all from us. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.